Came to have a look at a forklift with a breaker shoe. We have some parts on board, so we'll have a look. The time is currently 9 PM. And that is the forklift that is over there. Winnie's. Yep, down to the bottom. So we're going to check for fluid, bleed it. Hopefully it'll be easy enough for one man to bleed. And if not, we've got a master cylinder on board, which we need to strip all this panel down. And we're just fighting for some sunlight now, which is going down. And the keys over there. Let's go get it set up with all the tools and everything we need. Right, we've got some tools set up. Let's strip some of these panels out. Yep, the reservoir's right there. Make sure the vehicle starts. Perfect. It's currently 9 PM. Allen key bolts.